What to do if your computer monitor starts flickering? Before that, we'll know about refresh rate in monitor. When you look at monitor specifications, you'll see a number such as 60Hz, 100Hz or something else. The number indicates how many refresh occur per second. On a 60Hz monitor, the screen refresh runs 60 times per second. A 100Hz monitor will refresh 100 times per second. So this could be the problem, the monitor, then video cable or video card inside the computer. Trying using the monitor on another computer. If it's flicker, the monitor is going bad. If does not flicker, most likely you have an issue within your computer, specifically the video card or driver. In that case, you will follow some step and watch the full video. Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix screen flickering Windows 10 PC. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. Right click Start menu. Then select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right click your driver. Then select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for driver. Click Close when your driver is updated. Again, right click your driver. Then select Update Driver. Then select Browse my computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick. Then select your driver. Click Next. Please wait for a while as the driver will update manually. Click Close when your driver is updated. Click Start button. Then select Show More option. Then click System. Click Advanced Display Settings. Select the flickering monitor in the option and make sure the refresh rate is at least 60Hz if you have a 100Hz monitor. Hope your problem will be solved. If there is any problem, please comment. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us.